Well, a very good evening to you wherever you are. I do hope that you can join me in appreciating this truly beautiful evening. A night that is absolutely ideal for a game of football. The scenes here really are something, a beautiful picture under the floodlights. Traffic and transport round here, not the kindest, but regardless of that, the fans have found a way of getting here. There is a sense of theatre and the decibel levels are rising. This place is living up to its reputation as one of the noisiest corners of the footballing world. No decibels spared in this collective chorus. It is a monster matchup, Jim Begley.
Well, under normal circumstances, this is a massive matchup, and I'm not totally in agreement with the view that friendlies tend to take the edge away. In my experience, if the opposition go at it full tilt, then you have to reciprocate. We'd like to see excitement and be entertained, but if it does go down a serious route, there'll still be lots to enjoy.
And already we're underway here. Who do you, Jim, see making a difference here?
Well, I'm going to pick Mats Hummels. He's not simply a very dependable and diligent defender. He has real adventure about him as well, and I think when he gets an opportunity to step out from the back, he's encouraged to keep going, and he doesn't. He goes all the way.
Yeah, he'll certainly be leaving his mark on this game, quite possibly actually at both ends. Fulkrug! And the keeper passes the test.
Fulkrug is very sporting here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment.
Knocks it out wide. Ah, such a clever touch. Chouameni and Alaba. Eder Militao. It's Vinicius Junior. Carvajal. Now it's Fulkrug. Meunier. Defenders on the back foot. Sends it forward. Alaba. Mendy. Fulkrug. Gently done. Communication breakdown there, it seems. Mendy. No change to the score. 0-0 it remains. Now it's Vinicius Junior. Hosselu. Brandt. And it's Royce. Interesting ball. Look, chance! Well, the finish certainly didn't match the build-up.
That was created because of good, lively movement, which pretty much dictated the pass.
And he can clear it away. Oh, it's come loose. Fiddles it through. Now who's going to be first to this? And the finish! Oh, denied brilliantly!
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Nice interception, well touched. There's the shot! Keeper pulls up a fine save.
Fulkrug really must have felt he had the measure of the keeper then, but how wrong he was.
Chan stood up well to him there. Yeah, he's fouled him there. a fine save.
Well, I thought the starting position was good, and that helped the keeper to judge the flight of the ball and deal with it well.
Shifted upfield. Gets away from his opponents. Well read. The danger is averted. Massive lead! And that has been clubbed away. Rodrigo. And that's been levered clear. Goes forward. Mendy. Oh, he had to make that, and he did make it. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
A goal kick. Joselu. Mendy. He's cut it out. Cleared without complication. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. That's surely a foul, free kick. And he has shown him a yellow card. Royce, and he's had it nicked away. Brandt, and it's Meunier. Cross goes in there. And it's played forward, and now the breakaway. Borussia Dortmund can breathe again, just.
Well, I thought they got off lightly there. The odds were stacked against them.
Meunier, it's an inviting looking ball that. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, the idea was right, the delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Good spot, he's seen the run. Could try cutting inside here. Oh, he's trying to skip past his man. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. Mendy. And that is going to be the final action of the first half. Well, it's been a half largely of could-haves and should-haves. Perhaps the more impatient amongst the supporters will feel they're overdue a goal, but it's certainly not for the want of trying, so nothing to show as yet. At the break, it's 0-0. So they head in no further forward. The score here, still 0-0. And we're underway again. No score in the first half. Who's ready to go for it now? Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Challenge just a bit on the firm side. Then Sabaini gets over and intercepts. Just eases him off the ball. Schüller. Oh, can he get onto this? Nice interception. His positioning was spot on. Looking to break out here. Clearly not happy with that. Royce. It's run loose here. Well, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. Now then, the ball's come loose. Sabitzer. Meunier. There's the hit! Oh, just lacked a decent finish. Now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change. Forwards and with intent. Toni Kroos. Joselu. Joselu. Succumbs to the pressure. Well timed, excellent interception.
Borussia Dortmund have turned up with a human blockade. This is top defence.
Mats Hummels. Aller looks to get on the end of this. Gets his pass away. Rodrigo. No breakthrough and well into the second period. It is still anyone's game. Well, they've got it back in a hurry. Vinicius Junior. Rodrigo. The ball is loose and the chase is on. And here's the chance to counter. Mats Hummels. And it's Royce. Now it's Aller. And Royce! That's a fine save!
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling.
Oh, terrible pass. And that's been won straight back. Oh, that's a clever-looking ball. And that's left him on the seat of his pants. Well, the counter could be on here. It's a throw-in. Borussia Dortmund have turned to their bench, and we're going to have a substitution. Nicked it back promptly. Is that a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Alaba. Kroos. Can he put it away? Decent strike, kept it fizzing low. Have their second corner now. Borussia Dortmund can start a counter here. He's got away. Carvajal does really well to win the ball there. Vinicius Junior clips it so gently. Rodrigo. And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. And it's Toni Kroos. Looking for the runner.
Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit that would be most welcome now.
Royce. Well, that's well seen too. Sabitzer, well, that is one way to stop him. Oh, nice touch. It's run loose here. Royce.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Loose pass, and they could be in.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
Allaire. Shot could be on. Now that's a goal! Royce! He scored! That could turn out to be a huge, huge goal! Courtois, some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
Yeah, his instinct told him that the keeper would struggle to cope with that, so top marks for him following up. I think it's really sharp play, it was well led, and he was a little quicker than everybody else.
Final checks on the touchline, a change about to occur.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
Borussia Dortmund break the deadlock.
Oh, it was a long time coming, but I think it's fully merited.
Rodrigo! Oh, wonderful effort, all by himself.
Well, at least the crowd are appreciative of his efforts. This is actually quite a courageous move, and I add ambitious and adventurous too.
Borussia Dortmund making another change here.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
He is through here.
Borussia Dortmund probably could have killed things off, but they should be okay here.
Fourth official showing that there will be 3 minutes of added time. Modric. Royce. Mukoko. Alaba spots it and intercepts. Modric, and it's Toni Kroos. Looking for options for movement. And that will be the final act.